Here's some Manhattan buses. M2 bus. And there's lots of people walking around. And they're wearing shoes. The word shoes starts with SH. When you see SH together, it makes the sound sh. When you see an S by itself, it makes the sound s. But SH together makes the sound sh. So shoes starts with SH. Another word that starts with SH is shut. Shut the door. Shut. Shut. Shut the door. And another word is shark, like baby shark. Shark starts with SH. Shark. What else starts with sh? I know, shirt. People are all wearing shirts. And shirt starts with SH. Shirt. Shirt. Sometimes SH is at the end of a word, like wash. Wash ends with sh.